Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we're going to try something new. We're going to try the copy service at EQCent. You can also do that. Just use the link you see up there right now and you can register today. And also you find a link below the video. Also below the video you will find a promo code that gives you 100% on your first deposit. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe and like this video. So now let's get to it. My plan here now, I can see that we can copy this different type of people here. So let's start with the one in the bottom. Let's start with a $1. This is more just for fun to test it out. If we lose with him, we'll take the one number 2 and we'll double and double till we get a win. So let's get started. Now we are copying this person. Okay. We are now currently copying this person, I guess. Now we just need to see if we come any trades open. Let's take a $1 on this one also, just to make sure. No, I need to push start. Yes, here I see. Start copying. Now we are copying. Okay, cool. Then we have this one for $2 if we lose a trade with this one. So now we'll let him trade. And if we lose, we are doubling it on the next one here. So it will basically look something like this. We take here, we take $12. Here we take let's take a 25, 60. Let's take 150. I don't think we'll lose that many times, but let's see. Now the first one is up and running. Then let's follow this trade. It's GBP. Let's see if we push her now. Will that open? No. Okay, let's see if we can find that trade. So we can see if it's a winner or loser. It's GBP USD. There we have it. Okay, so looks like that will be a winner for now at least. The trade looks to be running for 7 minutes. Do I like this entry? Let me see. Yeah, I think it's quite decent. We have been sideways for a little while now. We have been down a little up, so this for me looks to be a quite nice trade. So we will keep copying him for now. So this is basically another lazy way that we can copy people, but we have a little more control on it, you know. Lazy smart way, that's important to say. Now let's see, 6 more minutes. Of course the video will take very long time, so I think we'll do a couple of trades. So if we lose one, we stop. If we win the 2, we are quite happy with that. Maybe we take 4 trades. We could maybe copy a little more also, but we keep it like this for now. It's just for testing, as it's the first time I try this. But I think this for me looks like a very nice plan. Can even do a 400 on this one. And here we can do a 950, and here we can do a 2500. We will never lose 10 trades in a row. But there you have the plan. So now let's see. Looks like the first will be a winner at least. So best case scenario we do 2 trades and 2 winners. Worst case scenario we do 2 trades, 1 winner and 1 loser. Looks like this will be a winner. And then we will go to the number 9 and continue. And if I see you people like this, I will try to do a much harder one where we maybe start with around $100 or so. So like I said in the start of the video, you find a link below the video, and make sure if you are going to start, make your first deposit count, because you get 100% on your first deposit using my promo code that's found below the video. So we are now currently deep in the money, so this was actually an incredible good entry. I'm very happy with this entry. So we will clearly take one more trade with the one. And this is the one that is supposed to be the worst of the 10 here, so let's see. We will see on the next trade if we keep it up with this quality. Yes, this will be a clear winner. I think we take it a little harder. Let's take $100 on the next one. There we have the next trade open. That is for euro against British pound. Let's close this one before we change. Or we can just add. Now let's let this close first. For now we are running in money, the same we did here. If we lose, then we take a 250 on this one. So the first was a trial trade, you can call it. First trade, like I said, was amazing. One minute left, so we have time to find another one. There. Okay, you see we have in the uptrend, we are going sideways a little now. I think I like this trade also. I like this one better, but let's see. We will wait till this one close, and we will see. First trade are now done in 30 seconds. By the way, we can stop copying him now, because we're not going to copy him more, by the way. We are in the first win. Now let's take a look on the second trade. That one is going live more for 4 minutes. Most of the time we can see that we have kept above this area, so let's hope it keep this way. That's why I like this entry also. So this is, like I said, this is also a way so you have a possibility. You don't need to learn your own strategy, you don't need to learn nothing, you can basically just copy people like that. It's so simple. And plus then, like you see, if we lose a trade, we have the possibility to fix it later on. We don't need to copy many trades, the trades will be taken almost instantly, so we have the possibility to fix the trades after. If, like for example, if you lose this one now, we will fix it with the next one. So we can even prepare for that now. If I see we lose, we copy this one here. But for now I'm very happy with this entry. I think we'll be a winner, because we see we have these spikes down, but they're very short-lived. Just hope we can get a boost up here now, so we get a little safe in the money. Because now it's basically just 2 minutes 45 seconds left. You can see that we have some type of resistance here, so we need to break that first. It's in this region here. Now let's see, we're pushing many times. I don't think we'll hold so much longer. This one will break now. Let's zoom in so you can see a little better. So you can see this area here. We have a resistance. So right away we break that one, we will be safe in the money, because that will then turn into support after. But it needs to happen now, the next 1 minute 45 seconds. Also we have a support here, so let's see. Can go both ways. If we break down here, of course we will look at bursting. There, we broke in the top and we shoot down. Okay, this is what we call a fake out. Now it's just 1 minute left, so now maybe it looks like we're going to lose this trade. Let's see. If we can get more up now, I feel safer. At least we are at the upper side of the support now. Yes, we got it. Now I feel better about it. Now we can zoom in more, go here. Let's see. Amazing. Now we are deep in the money, so in the end this did turn out very good. It's just now 12 seconds left. I don't think we will have this to be a loser. So that looks like we will need to martingale nothing for now. Maybe I spoke too early. 2 seconds left. No. And just like that, in 14 minutes we made $76. So you did see we did 2 trades, 2 winners. I did not even need to martingale. So if you like this type of videos where I copy people here at IQ Cents, tell me in the comments below and I will continue make this type of videos. So I think I will do bigger bets on the next video if that will be something that is interesting. So with that, have an amazing day.